The ratio of milk and water in 66 kg of adulterated milk is 5:1. Water is added to it to make the ratio 5:3. What is the quantity of water added? Now, let's assume the quantity of milk as 5x and hence water will be 1x. So total mixture will be of 6x. But it is given to us that the total mixture is 66. So that means x is equal to 11. So that means we can assume that milk originally is 55 and water is 11. Water is added to it to make the ratio 5:3. Now, let's assume that x liters of water is added. Let's assume that x liters is added. So therefore now water will be 11 plus x. Now milk is 55, water will be 11 plus x. And this is given to us as 5:3. Now 5, if we cancel it out, it becomes 11. So we have 33 is equal to 11 plus x. That means x is equal to 22.